Just do the lean back test. Because you know what kids are like. Lean that way, lean that way. Let's have a look what we've done. Simple as that. Once another one across there, and then I'll just drill through the cushion stud ties. So another one across here. Another one across here. Bit of batten across the front. Just so it don't make it too pinchy on your front of your legs, but the cushion underneath the leather's going to go over that. This is just to pad it out a bit, if you see what I mean, so you don't get rough edges digging in the back of your legs. One fixture. Show you the underneath of it, because I've still got to fix it properly, and yes, divvy bollocks here. Got the front and the back mixed up when he was marking it all out. But I didn't need to do all the measuring in the end, because that was the easiest way to do it. Just 1, 2, 3, 4 screw holes on each. I've got to get some washers. Can't think properly, lack of sleep playing with my mind at the moment. I've got to get some washers just to pull that all tight in the other split, so I can glue and wash her over and just screw it tight from the other side or from this side, whatever. But I decided to go for thicker wood on there, so it didn't pull through, and it gives it a bit of strength. Ouch, that hurt. One chair. Just needs a bit of glue. Like I said, another bit of that just to flatten all that down. That can all be glued back in place and then pulled tight with another bit of wood. It's only a slat off the fence. So yeah, one chair. Woohoo! There you go, Rooksy. Done something useful today while everybody else is wrapped up in the stupid media circus that's going on, which I'm not even going to look at, because I just don't want to know. They mind fucked me over my dogs, didn't they? Tried to kill me after sectioning, imprisoning, and yeah, well, there you go. Payback's a bitch, ain't it? Told you karma was coming. You gave precious life to me, so I live my